It's Memorial Weekend, and my wife just informed me that our barbecue is not working. Or, yeah, not working. So, what are we doing here? I pressure washed the grill, cleaned her up, pressure washed my grill plates, but I had to get all new guts and a new igniter. So I spent about $44 on Amazon today. Got all new diffuser plates, all new. Where'd they go? My tubes, my flame tubes, the crossover channels. Let's see, and the igniter. I don't know what you call them. Anyways, so that's what we're up to. All right, so yeah, it was grill day. I'm gonna wait till Monday to get all my grill parts. Again, I got the igniter wire, and the little sparky thing, and then I got the crossover tubes, and let's see, diffusers, flame diffuser. Where did I put? There it is. And new, what do we call these? So, anyways, $44, which isn't too bad. So it was 44 or spend 200 and probably 250 for a barbecue, just like the 4-burner we got there. 250 with tax, so 44 for new parts. I did have to buy a new tank. They wouldn't fill up my old propane tank. More than 10 years old or something like that. Some ungod awful new or law or whatever. Man. Making you buy new propane tanks. I don't get it. You know, if it's not planned obsolescence, it's planned obsolescence. So, if you buy something and it's gonna last 10 years, which kind of sucks. Be nice to have something last 30 years like they used to. Or they'll just say, hey, you know what? If you're going to get more than 10 years out of it, we're going to make a law that says, hey, you have to buy a new one anyways. So, kind of screwed, huh? Yeah, I just don't get it. I don't get it. Doesn't, how do you save money anymore? They just find a way of just reaching into your pocket. And just taking it away. It's crazy. It's crazy. Anyways, that's what we're up to today, and I'll try to get this out. But we're working on the barbecue. Hope everybody's having a good weekend as well. Everybody stay safe, and talk to you on the next one. Adios.